Now, in continuation with the definition of a charge, now we can define on the basis of the experiments performed, the charge is something possessed by the body, by virtue of which either it attracts or repels the another body, or the property of a body due to which either it can attract or it can repel another body, then it is called electric charge or a charge. So this is the definition of a charge. Charge, it is something possessed by a body due to which it either attracts or repels another body. So this is the definition of charge. Now we will try to understand the kinds of charge. Kinds of charge. Now we have tried to understand the frictional electricity. We have discussed about the static electricity, the phenomenon of charging on account of friction between the two bodies. Now, there are two types of forces are there between the charges. In the experiment also, we have studied that two bodies either attract each other or two bodies either repel each other when these bodies are charged. It means the charge is of two types, and first type is positive and second type is negative. There are some examples of charging. Just like first example is when a glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, then some of the electrons are transferred from glass rod to silk because work function of glass rod is small and work function of silk is large as compared to the glass rod. So electrons will be transferred from glass rod to silk, and glass rod will become positively charged and electron will become negatively charged. So charge on the glass rod will be positive and charge on the silk will be negative because electrons are negatively charged particle. So it is positive and this one is negative. Glass rod is rubbed with silk. So this is positive and this is negative. Similarly, so many other examples we can take. If we take another example of a material ebonite rod is rubbed with cat skin, that is fur. In this case, the electrons are transferred from cat skin to ebonite rod. So cat skin becomes positively charged and ebonite rod becomes negatively charged. Ebonite rod gets negatively charged, cat skin gets positively charged because electrons are transferred from cat skin to ebonite rod. Again, why the electrons are transferred from glass rod to silk? Why the electrons are transferred from cat skin to ebonite rod? In both the cases, again we have to give the concept of work function. Since the work function of the glass rod is small as compared to that of silk, so the electrons will be transferred from glass rod to silk. A small amount of energy required to escape the electrons from glass rod as compared to that of silk. But in case of ebonite rod and fur, the work function of fur is small as compared to that of ebonite rod. So electrons will be transferred from cat skin to ebonite rod. So cat skin becomes positively charged and ebonite rod becomes negatively charged. So many other examples we can consider. We can take another examples of comb and dry hair. When we apply comb in dry hair, again on account of friction, some of the electrons are transferred from dry hair to comb, so that the hair becomes positively charged and comb becomes negatively charged. The charge on the hair is positive and charge on the comb is negative. It is due to the reason that the work function again of dry hair is small as compared to that of comb, and it is on account of transfer of electrons from one body to another body. Now, the results of these experiments indicate that there is two types of forces, positive as well as negative. And now, in the second part of the experiment performed in the earlier video, we have just got that the two charged bodies repel each other. When these two straws are rubbed and they are brought near each other, then these two straws repel each other. It indicates that similarly charged bodies repel each other, and the opposite charge, similarly we can say the oppositely charged bodies can attract each other. So there are two types of charges, one is positive, another is negative. So this is about the kinds of electric charges, positive as well as negative. So in the last we can conclude that what is a charge? Charge is something possessed by a body, what is the property of a body by virtue of which either it attracts or it repels the another body. And the charge of two types, one is positive, another is negative. Then which body is positively charged? When these two bodies, the two bodies are rubbed together, then the electrons are transferred from one body to another body on account of friction between them. That's why the body which loses the electrons becomes positively charged, and the body which gains the electrons becomes negatively charged. So this is charging by friction or frictional electricity, or it is also called static electricity.